LEVC, or the London EV Company, reported a zero-emanations business van some time back, and a hidden test donkey has now been found trying in the Scandinavian winter. The story with LEVC is long and it goes back 100 years. Once, there was an organization called Carbodies, which fabricated those exemplary dark taxis everybody partners with London lanes. After various possession and name changes, the organization was sold in 2013 and the Chinese carmaker Geely framed the London taxi company out of it. A year ago it was rebranded the London EV Company, and part of its resurrection was the presentation of an electric London taxicab called the LEVC TX. They are made in another office close Coventry, England, and plans incorporate fanning out from making just taxis. This light business van variant, about the size and state of a Ram Pro Master City, is intended for urban conveyances. It is a range extender half and half, and running the test donkey's plates at the British DVLA's site demonstrated the late 2017 enrolled test vehicle's fuel compose as crossbreed electric, clean. We are likewise recognizing a billow of fumes in the last photograph, as the vehicle weapons from the picture taker. If that is not simply powder snow, that'll be the range extender working. The disguised vehicle's front will undoubtedly take after the taxikin. Similarly, as a more workmanlike adaptation, the backside loses the specifying that helps spectators to remember the exemplary taxi and picks up a more van-like shape. LEVC CEO Chris Gubby reported the vehicle before, saying, "This will be the future sealed white van that individuals have been sitting tight for. Planned exclusively for the urban business area, committed to the general population who keep our urban areas working, it will be perfect, focused and prepared for urban communities without bounds."